Hi guys, and welcome to my channel, and today's video will be about the worst things I ever bought. Yeah, I was actually inspired by another two bloggers. Yesterday in the evening I was watching YouTube, like sometimes I do it before I go to sleep, just to relax and watch something interesting for me. And I've seen the video from Lydia Millen about what she have bought there, like awful things that she will not recommend to anyone. And I was so inspired. I thought, yeah, this is like actually very interesting kind of videos, and I would like to do the same. I would like to also to tell about which I bought not so good, which was my experience. And Lydia also told that she was inspired by another blogger. She was inspired by Patricia Bright. I looked to Patricia's channel. I didn't know her before, and I liked it so much. I subscribed, and she's so positive, so nice, and she's talking in so funny way. So I actually adore these two bloggers. I like them so much, and I decided, yeah, why not? I also want to continue this topic, and I want to talk about my faulty items which I bought. Maybe you will be interested in this. So the first one that I will start with, the awfulest thing that I bought, it was actually the bag from Gucci. It was Marmont Velvet small or mini bag. It was so cute, it was so beautiful. I will put some pictures how it looked before. It costed like 1,300 or 400 euros, and I bought it in Dubai. And then in several months I started to see that on the folds of this bag it started to, the velvet started to go away, and it became bald all over. And it was so much shock for me, like, oh my god, you pay so much money for the luxury bag. And it was actually my first luxury bag ever. And what happening with it? Is it supposed to be like that or not? Is it like okay to pay so much money and then in several months? I didn't use it so often. I used it maybe 3, 4 or 5 times. And I was in the airport, I was traveling somewhere, and I was sitting waiting, and just sit so, and what is it? That I said all over, what is it, bald? Or do I have problems with my eyes? So I was so shocked. When I came to Stockholm back, I went immediately to Gucci, complaining about it. I didn't know what will happen. Will they help me or what? So they sent this back to the Gucci main office. Then after a week or two I got the mail that I can actually take my money back. I can get money back. What? Gucci usually doesn't do like that. Usually they give a ticket, so like you can exchange it to something else. Even when I purchased this bag, they said so that you can't give it back, but you can purchase something else for this money. But I was so surprised, like wow. But it was a happy ending of the story. Yes, I got my money back, all money, completely, and I was so happy. After this I bought the Fendi bag. With it I am extremely happy, no problems, no wear or tear, everything is good. And I think that, yeah, real leather is probably better. So now I'm thinking about if I will buy Gucci bag again, I will not go to velvet, never. I will just stay with normal leather. I also watch some other YouTubers, and I see that Gucci bags are not so good sometimes in wear and tear. Maybe I will think about if I want it really or not. I need to make more investigations, and then I will decide. So the next item that I purchased, the awfulest, was recently the bag of Chanel. This is my first bag of Chanel, and it's from VESTIAIRE Collective. And I heard so many good reviews from VESTIAIRE Collective, and I decided, oh yes, I want a Chanel bag, but I can't afford a new one. It's a lot of money. I can try to look for in some pre-love sites. I looked on YouTubers also, but I didn't investigate too much. I just ordered the beautiful silver bag, which is supposed to be from the cloth material, and it was so beautiful on the pictures. It was said that it's a very good condition, so I was okay. It will be just, I of course they will like check it, the Vestiaire collective. If something is wrong with it, they will contact me if it's not the very good condition or something. So I was so naive. And when I got the bag, first I saw that it's not actually the very good condition. It was maybe the good condition because it was a little bit like dusty all over. And then I made actually the video about unboxing. Here I will put somewhere the link also. And after I made the video, I realized that, oh my god, it's a sweat, because it smells like a sweat, like a leather, and it's so soft material. And then I started to look for another bags like that in another sites, and even in Vestiaire collective I found the same, which is written that it's a sweat. And oh my god, I realized that, oh no, sweat, no way, I don't want suede. I don't know how to take care about it. If it will be dirty, then it's not possible to clean it. I had once a suede light color, like pink, dusty pink color bag before, and it was completely ruined after one summer. I couldn't wash it, I couldn't clean it, I just throwed it. It was not expensive, but anyway it was not pleasant, and I just could realize that if I will use Chanel like on everyday basis like I want to, if I will have it all over like for example the naked body here, it will start to get black from the suntan, from creams, from everything, and from the clothes, and from hands and makeup. Oh my god. And I don't know how to clean it, and we don't even have any service that will clean it here in Stockholm. We don't have any bag spa or something, and I don't know how much it will cost, or can they do it. So I just don't want these problems. I had a long story with Vestiaire collective. You can look in another video. Like I had 3 videos about my Chanel bag, about unboxing, then what problems I have, and an ending of the story. And finally I got my money back from Vestiaire collective. It was an exception for me, and I'm extremely happy that this case also like ended really good for me. I got my money back, and I will never buy the bag in a suede. I will never buy a bag, probably. No, I can't say that I will never buy. I will buy maybe the bags from Vestiaire collective, but I will be much more attentive. What is it? I will ask for more pictures. You need to always, if you are like thinking about something, it's better to ask more pictures, or it's better to find the site where you can give it back if you don't like it. Now they also exist. Yeah, write in comments which sites do you know which also exist, where you can buy pre-loved expensive bags and then return it if you don't want. And I'm still in the open questions of which bag of Chanel I want in the future. Now I am a little bit like take a pause and think about it, but of course I want to have a Chanel bag. I think I will have one soon, maybe not so soon, within several months or half of year. I'm planning for now. Okay, the next thing that I bought, and I can't say that I regret it, but it was the fail. It was the bad purchase for me. It was not suitable. It's my favorite shoes, Manolo Blahnik. I have them here. I still have them. So I just adore these shoes. Did you see the Sex and the City? Yeah, here are they still in the box. I used them already, but I keep them in the box, more safe, and I like it to keep things like that. All my bags actually are in dust bags also. So these shoes are from Manolo Blahnik. They are so beautiful. You can see there, you know Manolo Blahnik. I'm just crazy about them. Sex and the City, Carrie Bradshaw, and I also had them for my wedding. But the problem is, when I purchased them in our store in Stockholm, I tried them there and I thought, they fit good, everything. I came home and I realized the same minute when I tried them at home that they're too small. I can't fit in them, but it was too late. They didn't take it back when I went the next day. They said, oh, you already have some small micro stones here. Probably I had it inside the house, but wherever. They didn't take it, so. And so I had to, like, I dressed several socks. I walked with them several days. I even put some plastic cover on the top, and I went to cook food. I thought that they will become bigger. They are leather inside. They should become a little bit bigger, at least half of size. These are 37, and I have like 37.5, but in store I don't know why, I just thought that they are okay. And also the sales managers, they said like, they will be like little bit bigger. Any shoes become bigger when you use it, like blah blah blah. No, but they didn't. Eventually they didn't after 1 year of dressing them. Like I didn't dress them 1 year, of course, not every time. I dressed them maybe 3 or 4 times during this time, and they in the perfect condition. I like this small like detail here, but you can't even see it. So now I'm trying to sell them also in Vestiaire Collective. If you want shoes of Manolo Blahnik of 37, you can write me directly, and you will get it without any commissions like in Vestiaire Collective. They will cost much cheaper than from the site. I will write below how much I want for these shoes now. And yes, so it's a pity that I have to say goodbye to them, because I really like them. I really like how they look, how they style this. They are so comfortable, if of course they would not be so tight. But I actually already ordered another ones, but in another color. But this we will leave for later. And we will talk about some other items also now. These are not so expensive, but anyway, like, what did I think when I bought them? I don't know. So the next bag, it was a bag from Mango. It looks like this. Yeah, several people told me that it's quite heavy, but I didn't listen to them. I thought, oh, it's so beautiful, it needs to be in my Instagram, it needs to be like, I'm a blogger, yes, I want to have nice pictures, and it's just so beautiful with all these transparent pearls or something. And when I purchased it, I made just one picture with it, and that's all. And I never dressed it because it's extremely heavy. It's like probably 1.5 kilo or even 2, and it's so small inside, like everything is up. I don't even know what can fit here, and it's some holes here. Yeah, you see that you can lose everything. When I took it once only to some restaurant, I put some small like makeup bag inside, the silver one, so everything will not like be seen or stick out from the bag. But it's so heavy, I don't know. Yeah, I actually took it on also once to some vacation. To last summer, it was in Santorini. If you follow my Instagram, you will see a lot of pictures from different vacations and different outfits, if you like it. So, but now it's just takes the dust. I never use it. I don't know even what to do with it. I don't want to throw it. It looks quite nice, but I eventually never wear it. And there are other bags which are not so heavy, and I just think, Olga, you just need to think more before you purchase things, because you're so crazy, like, oh my god, I want it, and you just purchase it. You need to wait. They will give another options which are like maybe lighter, maybe more like, now after this Zara and Mango and other companies, they made something like this but more light, but I was like to hurry. So this is my problem. I need sometimes to cool down, to think 3 times before I buy something like that. And another thing is also like, I don't know what to do with it. It's not a Cult Gaia bag. It's kind of replica, yeah, how you say it. It was inspired by Cult Gaia, but they don't have this color, so I don't think that it's a replica. It's just inspired bag. It's from ASOS, and sometimes it's good to buy this kind of bags. You don't know if you want to spend a lot of money for this kind of trend. You need to try it. This is a good idea to buy this stuff for cheaper money. It looks quite nice, but I never use it. I don't know, it's just to make a picture with it like that and that's all. And I also think that I bought it like 1 year ago, last summer, and now it's already not so much fashionable. So why? I don't like even understand these people who buy these expensive bags for a lot of money, which are so trendy, and they kind of lose money. Next year you already don't want to have it, you want something else. That's why I just understand that about the last bag and this bag, you need to, I'm talking about me, yeah, I need to think about something like without any trend, like which will be completely classical style. Now I understand that these things is only to play like 1 or 2 times and then just to throw it, but it's it's a pity to throw it. I still keep it, but not to buy them for a lot of money, not to buy them from expensive brands, like not to put like 1,000 or 2,000 euros for something like that. But of course, if you want to try some trend, you can try to buy something cheap. But even the cheap one is, I don't know if I need it. I already, how to say, here like 50 euros there, 50 euros there, 50 euros there. And if you will count everything, it will like, oh my god, I could buy one Chanel bag instead of all this stuff that I have now in my like wardrobe and I don't know where to put it. So that's why sometimes I sell my bags and shoes and clothes, like a lot of them, and to give them away to have more space because I like to buy something like that. So these probably were the worst things I've ever bought because I just don't use them, or I had problems with them, or the shoes, it was a terrible experience because I was so unhappy. My god, I'm a stylist, I'm a fashion blogger, and I made this mistake. I bought the shoes which are too small. How could I do this? I don't know, but it happens. Okay guys, I hope you like the video. If you like this idea and you're a YouTuber, catch it and also make some videos, you can write in the comments if you do it, and I will come to you and see your videos. I like to watch it and be my guest. Subscribe, write your comments, and we will stay in touch. And for now, have a good day. Bye bye.